Okay.
Hello and welcome. We have Dr. Vashistha with us today, and he'll be sharing with us how he approached observership, how did he apply observerships, and how he was able to achieve some of them, and then how it was helpful for his USMLE residency application. Dr. Vashistha, please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Vashistha, one of the PGY1 and one of the leading programs in the East Coast. So far, international medical graduate perspective, it's really important to do US clinical experiences. It can be in terms of clinical elective, sub-internships, observerships, and when you hear all these things, your mind is puzzled out at how to approach it, how to begin thinking about all these things. What we want to do is basically create a structure, a kind of a stepwise approach towards all of that, and then help you so that we can help you get to the final step of getting the US clinical experience. So now there are plenty of resources over the internet which will tell you the opportunities in different universities and different hospitals out there in the US. So um, the first thing I'm going to do is basically try and recollect all that information, and over a web page or over a resource provided by us, we can give you the list of institutions which offer the observerships and clinical research, clinical electives. And the second thing is how to approach that. A lot of clinical electives and observership programs want you to be done with step 1 and step 2 CK scores, and also some of them step 2 CS as well. So if you're thinking about applying for US clinical experience, then the first thing for you to do would be complete your steps and then approach towards it. After you're done with that, then try and build your resume and start seeing the requirements of individual institutions. Some of them also require TOEFL, which basically is an examination to gauge how well you speak English. It's a very quick examination, and most of you guys only require less than a week of preparation. Some of them are free, others are not. It again depends a lot on the kind of university program you apply in, the department you apply in, and how early you apply to those resources. Again, I will try in future to build all those resources up for you so that you can readily access all those things, and then try and create the database for you guys.